Hi, everyone. Welcome to Spirit Rangers. Today, we have a special adventure to help with. There's a big bear sneeze that needs our help. The Spirit Rangers, Liam, Maya, and Kai, are at the ranger station, looking concerned. Liam, hey team, I just got a call from Bear Creek. It sounds like there's a bear with a huge sneeze that's causing some trouble. Maya, oh no, a big sneeze can be really powerful. We need to make sure everyone stays safe and the forest stays clean. Kai, let's go help. We'll need to find out what's making the bear sneeze so much and stop it before it gets out of hand. The Spirit Rangers head out into the forest, their backpacks full of tools and gadgets. They arrive at Bear Creek, where a large bear named Barry is sneezing uncontrollably. Barry the bear. Achoo, achoo. Oh, my goodness. I can't stop sneezing.
Liam, bite.
We're here to help. Can you tell us what's causing your big sneezes? Barry the bear. Well, I think it's something in the forest. I keep sneezing when I'm near the big oak tree. Maya, let's check out the big oak tree and see if we can find out what's making Barry sneeze. The Spirit Rangers approach the big oak tree and notice a lot of colorful pollen floating around. Kai, look at all this pollen. It must be making Barry sneeze. Maya, pollen can be a problem if there's too much of it. Maybe we need to find a way to clean it up and help Barry feel better. Liam, I've got an idea. Let's use our special ranger tools to gently remove the pollen and make the air around the oak tree clean again. The Spirit Rangers pull out their tools, a leaf blower, a pollen scoop, and a big, soft broom. They start working together to clean up the pollen. Liam, sweep, sweep, sweep away the pollen in the air with our special tools. We'll make it clean and fair.